Hey Jake, this is Larry Powell, Circle P Marketing. I just wanted to get this quick screencast over to you. Sean Sheffield had mentioned that you were in the process of trying to build out a website for your business. So I just wanted to show you a couple quick examples of websites that I had recently finished up, and just some of the key components that you really want to make sure that you have on your website as you're finishing up your website for your business. It will really help with not only your conversions, but also your rankings within Google. I did see that you guys are ranking. You had the #1 spot in the GMB, so that's fantastic. But having your business here in this top spot as well, along with your Facebook page, will really help you out. If you ever wanted to branch out into some of these other markets, within a short drive from you guys, like Orlando or stuff like that, having that website would definitely help you guys out with that. So to jump into this, first off, click-to-calls are going to be awesome for your business. Mobile search is happening a lot more these days, and so to have these click-to-call buttons where people can just automatically connect with your business from their mobile devices is going to really help out. So I have the one here. That obviously disappears as you scroll down. So this click-to-call, this stays here all the time. So this is available for people to click on that to connect with the business. And then as far as ranking goes, content's going to be huge for your company. Google looks at over 200 different ranking factors when determining which websites are going to claim that top spot, and content is one of the biggest ones that we can influence. You guys really want to target anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on this homepage, if not more, depending on what your competition has, because you really want to beat your competition out in every way possible. So making sure you have that content on here will definitely help out. Contact forms on your homepage, again, are going to be huge for conversions. We have a contact us page here as well. But people don't want to have to search around your site for how to get a hold of you. So by having that contact form up near the top of the page, people are looking for that business that can get out there and give them a bid the fastest. So you want to have that contact form there so people can put that information in and get you out there for a quote. There's not too much you have to do with the site. Definitely you want to go for a look that's whatever you're going for. These people, this was the color scheme they had to go for. So it is definitely kind of that light and bright, matches their logo. But there's a lot of options you have out there for your business. And this is another one we just recently finished up, a little different layout to it. They still have that click to call here. You can see they have the contact form right here at the top. Just different stuff you can do with the site. There's a lot of opportunities you have out there with WordPress, a lot of these other builders to really make some pretty awesome sites. If you have any questions or you need help with kind of figuring out what the next step is in finishing up your website, definitely reach out. We'd love to talk to you more. You can either reach out to Sean or myself. We can definitely point you in the right direction. Thank you.